Hi, my dear students. I welcome to you my English class. How are you today? Hope that all of you are well and safe with your family. Okay? I'm also fine and safe with my family. Today, I'm present here to take the English class for students of class 9, 10. Okay, dear students, now I giving my introduce. Okay, this is Sarwardi, senior teacher, Motto High School, Maniganj Shodor, Maniganj. Okay, students, please open your EFT book. EFT means English for today. English for today. Okay, at pages 140. 140. Okay, today's topic is renewable energy sources 1. Unit 11, lesson 1. Okay, this text has some very useful words. First of all, I would like to discuss about some keywords. Some keywords. Okay, students, pronounce with me. Okay, pronounce with me. Okay, you see, can you see? Okay, either. Okay, either বাংলা মিনিং ইজ দুয়ের যে কোনো একটি পারেন হয় এ নয় ও অন্যতর ও আরো অধিকন্ত ইত্যাদি। ওকে, number 2, okay, can you see? Okay, magi. Okay, magi বাংলা মিনিং ওয়াসাচ্ছন্ন স্যাঁতসেঁতে আফসা। মাগি synonym word is foggy, misty, damp, nebulous, etc. Okay, another one, you see, remain. Okay, can you see? Remain বাংলা মিনিং ইজ থাকা, বাকি থাকা, অবস্থান করা, একইভাবে চলতে থাকা, etc. Synonym word is stay, continue, carry on, persist, etc. Another one, number 4, you see, can you see? Okay, sticky, বাংলা মিনিং ইজ আঠালো, ঘনমাক্ত, ভেদাইতেছি। Synonym word is sweety, adhesive, humid. Okay, another one, number 5, concentrate. Student, you must pronounce with me. Okay, concentrate বাংলা মিনিং ইজ মনোনিবেশ করা, সমাবেশ করা, কেন্দ্রীভূত করা, ঘনীভূত করা, জমাট বাঁধা, একত্র করা, etc. Synonym word is rarely, solidify, center on. Another one, you see, number 6, splash. Okay, বাংলা মিনিং ইজ জলের ছিটে দেওয়া, তলকে ছিটিয়ে দেওয়া, ফোঁটা পড়া বা ঝরা, ভিজিয়ে দেওয়া, জল ছিটিয়ে দেওয়া, কাদা ছিটাই দেওয়া, ওই ছলাৎ ছলাৎ করে চলা, এগুলোকে বোঝানো হয় স্প্লাশ। ওকে, স্প্লাশ। নাম্বার 1। নাম্বার 7, frequent. Frequent. Okay, frequent বাংলা মিনিং ইজ ঘন, ঘন ঘন ঘটে এমন। ওকে, বারংবার ঘটে, ইটিসি। synonym word is rumbo, roaming, wandering. Next, last one. Okay, number 8, rural electrification board. Rural electrification board. Okay, you see, rural electrification board, পল্লী বিদ্যুতায়ন বোর্ড, পল্লী বিদ্যুতায়ন বোর্ড। Okay, dear students, I read the keywords. You also read with me mentally. Okay, ida, 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 magi, 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 remain, 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 sticky, 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 concentrate, 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 splash, 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 frequent, frequent, frequent. Rural electrification board, rural electrification board, rural electrification board. Dear students, now I would like to read out text. It's very important for student and yours. Okay, so you have to read with me, but silently. You also read mentally. Okay, dear student, start reading. Okay, Sohan lives in a village in the southwest part of Bangladesh. Last night he could not sleep. His sister had her SSC exam next morning. She could not read either. There was load shedding. The summer night being muggy and hot, life became pale without electricity. Most of their area remained dark for hours due to power shortage. In May, June, temperature shoots up to 40 degrees Celsius with almost 90% of humidity in the atmosphere. It becomes all weighed down and sticky. When you are busy fanning yourself all the time, how can you concentrate on studies? In the night, it is impossible to sit down to study with a candlelight or table lamp or hurricane lamp or a rural kerosene lamp. People will simply come out of houses almost barefoot and sit in the open places. Some splash cold water off their faces. Fans remain unmoving. Electric bulbs are off and it is dark everywhere. It is simply unbearable. What is the reason of frequent load shedding? Press reports say there is a shortage in electricity production. According to the Power Development Authorities, the demand for electricity a few years ago was more than 6,000 megawatt a day, while the supply remained around 4,200 megawatt. In the rural areas, the Rural Electrification Board (REB) could supply barely half of the total demand, which was around 2,400 megawatt per day. In the capital city, the demand stood at around 1,400 megawatt, while the supply amounted to 650 megawatt. As a result, load shedding is unavoidable for for the time being, but situation is improving very fast. Okay, dear student, I would like to give some questions to you for your, because this text you have to understand, I think. So you can also give this answer. Okay, students, it's a very easy and simple. Okay, try to give this answer individually. Okay, dear students, you see, number of question is, what happened to Swan last night? Okay, গত রাত্রে সোহানের কি ঘটেছিল? How was the summer night? গ্রীষ্মের রাত্রি কেমন ছিল? কি হয়েছিল? How is a summer day? গ্রীষ্মের দিন কেমন? Okay, what happens during load shedding in Swan's area? সোহান এরিয়ায় যখন বিদ্যুৎ বিভ্রাট ঘটে তখন কি হয়েছিল? কি হয়? What do people use at night during load shedding? যদি বিদ্যুৎ বিভ্রাট ঘটে লোকজন তাহলে রাতের বেলায় কি করে? ওকে, নাও you should answer the question individually. I think every student maybe understand this text. You can help your text, but don't take guidebook or don't help other person. Okay, although you give answer, but I give you some idea. Okay, number one question, what happens to Swans last night? সোহানের গত রাতে কি ঘটেছিল? Okay, you see, Swan could not sleep last night because it was a summer night with load shedding. Number two, you see, number two question is, how was the summer night? Okay, the summer night was as usual, sticky, hot, but the load shedding added salt to the injury by making life ill. Okay, number three, how is a summer day? Okay, how is a summer day? You see, a summer day is very hot with high temperature like 40 degrees Celsius and with almost 90% humidity in the atmosphere. As a result, it becomes all wet, damp and sticky. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, what happens during load shedding in Swan's area? Okay, Swan's area remains in dark at night for hours during load shedding like the other areas. Swan cannot sleep or study well also. Okay, number 5, what do people use at night during load shedding? Some people try to use candlelight or table lamp or hurricane lamp or kerosene lamp to continue their study or urgent works. Some use cold water splashing on their faces, and some sit in an open area almost barefoot. Okay, dear student, I think now you can give the question answers individual, I think. Okay, students, now I would like to discuss about section C. Discuss about section C. If you understand the text, you must understand section C, D, E. Okay? Now, section C. Column A, electricity. Column A, electricity. Column B, demand. Demand, চাহিদা. Okay? C, supply. কতটুকু বিতরণ করতে পারে. Okay? Deficit. It can say shortage. Okay. Nationwide demand চাহিদা 6000 মেগাওয়াট বিতরণ করে সাপ্লাই 4200 মেগাওয়াট ঘাটতি 1800 মেগাওয়াট লাইক rural area demand 2400 megawatt, supply 1200 megawatt, deficit 1200 megawatt. Okay, capital city demand 1400 megawatt, supply 650 megawatt, deficit 750 megawatt. Okay, now if this section C you understand, I think you must complete and can do section D. Maybe you understand. Okay, section D have dialogue, twist student dialogue about this. Okay, section D dialogue, you try to, okay, I give clear words. Two person, you two, 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 you two. Okay? Fair words. Okay? Now discuss about section D. After discussing, okay, then same as D1 also discuss. Okay? Number E is a group 1. Everybody try to individually hand note, and every two brains is a one group. Okay? Tomorrow you have to write down on post of paper. Every group, one person come here about discussing this subject. Okay? Now I would like to give you homework. Okay? Section F. Write a letter to an editor of a national daily about the suffering of the people caused by load shedding in your locality. Okay, my dear students, every students, you must stay at home. Don't go outside and the locality. Okay? Nowadays, COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus. So, everybody keep social distance. So, today's is my class is end. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye, goodbye. Thank you everybody.